Subscribe to my channel Indian Fashion and Beauty and also press the bell icon for latest update, and it is totally free to subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian Fashion and Beauty, and if you are new on my channel then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for latest update. So yeah, this is a skincare video and I'm going to do with a brand new product which I received from Glamego March 2018 box, which is the Mond'sub peel off mask, and yeah, this is a really trending product and very brand new product, but it's not quite affordable product. And yeah, I'm very excited to try this out. So let's get started and check it out how it's work. First, I'm talking about this product, and it comes in a box, which a cardboard black box, and all the information of this related to this products are over here, as you can see this. And the shelf life of this product is 3 years, and the price of this product is very high, which is 1,000 rupees. Yeah, as you can see this, all the instructions are present over here, how you can use this black mask. The price of this charcoal mask is 1,000 rupees, which is very high, but the quantity of this product is very good, 100 ml. You get. I'm going to open this box and show it how it's look. So this is the tube. It's a very good amount, 100 ml tube, and I'm very excited to try this out just because I'm using it first time and I don't know how it's work on my face. So let's go. And first we have to wash your face before applying any type of mask, so that's why I'm going to wash my face, then I'll be back. So guys, as you can see, my face is just clean and I feel very happy with my face. And honestly इसमें पेन तो है, बट सेंटर पार्ट में मुझे यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक बिल्कुल भी पेन नहीं फील हुआ, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मेरे उतने सारे हेयर्स नहीं है, फेशियल हेयर, बट इस साइड में मेरी फेशियल हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा है नॉर्मली, तो मुझे ये साइड पे बहुत पेन हुआ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा। इस साइड पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पेन हुआ है, बट सेंटर पार्ट में, नोज़ में, इस साइड में कहीं भी मुझे पेन बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा, बट इस साइड में थोड़ा सा पेन हुआ है अभी। बट यू कैन सी दिस कि कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर पूरा क्लीन हो गया है। मेरे जितने भी हेयर्स थे फेस में सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया है, एंड नोज भी एकदम सॉफ्ट और प्लेन लग रहा है। So guys, don't worry and please try this out. This mask is very wonderful and I am just in love with the result of this mask. ये थोड़ा सा पेन लेवल है, इस पे थोड़ा सा पेन होगा, बट जो रिजल्ट आएगा you will be happy. So please try this out, and I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and after that press the bell icon for latest updates.